I feel so good. I feel so great that finally I have launched my collection. So I've got inspired from Rajasthani architecture. So the intricate work which has been done on the walls of Jaipur and everything.
This piece is totally inspired by the architecture of Jaipur, and what inspired her to make this all was that it has been an array of jewelry going up and running up into our family since ages, and very small age she was very inclusive, to just know about whatever she wants to design or develop in the sense of that, and that inspired her to become one of the designers from a family.
So my inspiration was I got inspired from the Jaipur architecture. So I was really inspired from Mughals, their heritage jewelry and everything. So I thought why not to come up with the concept of this, because if we talk about Mughals jewelry is inspired from nature, their Mughal paintings and everything. So that was the main thing. I thought why not to come up with this kind of collection and show something into my pieces. And I really want to thank my mom because she's been my inspiration. I think so. Like my favorite actress is Deepika Padukone. I feel like that Deepika Padukone will enhance the beauty of my pieces, because if I talk about my pieces are quite intricate, and as I said that it's inspired from the Jaipur architecture. So I believe that Deepika Padukone will be the best model for my pieces.
I'm so excited. From my side, for Pranasi's best of luck, and I'm going to look forward. Thank you. अच्छा, अपकमिंग कुछ म्यूजिक वीडियोस हैं, कुछ नेटफ्लिक्स की सीरीज है, so it will be come soon.
I'm expecting a lot of jewelry, beautiful chandelier earrings and lots of glitz, lots of glamour. I'm very fond of jewelry myself, though I'm not a very big jewelry person, or I am also fond of very contemporary jewelry like the kind that I'm wearing, which is a Rohit Verma design. So I'm just waiting and anticipating something very nice and exciting. Let's see how it is.
I am super excited to see because cocktail jewelries I really love, and I'm looking forward to see how the jewelries are and have a great time here inside. As we all know, jewelries are the best friends of girls. So what's better than to have a great cocktail and to see some great interesting jewelries here.
See, as I got the invite, I was more curious to see कि भक्ति नाम दिया है जो उनका creation है. The jewelry she's making for years, भक्ति. तो भक्ति में उन्होंने क्या create किया है मुझे वो देखना है. Because एक हम बोलते हैं temple jewelry होती है. So I want to see what she has created, and I love the name Bhakti plus Pranasi इनका brand है, which is again a beautiful thing. I still have to know कि Pranasi का meaning क्या है.
I actually was very surprised, not because of anything else. See, I've known her for some time and I've known her on a very personal level. So when she was launching her collection, I'm here to support her. Without realizing, she's very talented. है उसका दो पीसेस तो मुझे बहुत ही पसंद आए. एक तो तेरा पूरा जो रेंज है झुमकी का हाफ जो वेट ही कम कर देता होगा. And there's also piece inspired by archery. And archery is something that we both love a lot.
Yeah.
So I think that was also one of my favorites and highlights today.
Well, I loved. I told Prishita. I didn't know. I knew her as a small girl. So. But lovely jewelry. I really loved the design, and I also loved the way you incorporated your archery into it.
Oh, thank you so much.
Yeah, and the best part was they're like big, but it's quite light.
Lightweight jewelry. Yeah.
So I wish you all the very best
Thank you
for
so
it.
much.
And
Lovely. Parul, thank you so much for this wonderful invite, and I am always up and always ready to support the women. So I'm very happy that entrepreneur like Prashita is here, a young entrepreneur like Prashita is here. And I really just now saw a beautiful jewelry collection, especially of jhumkas. And I love jewelry, I love jhumkas, I love wearing lots of ornaments, and I really thought the designs were really unique.
Well, I would like to say congratulations.
Thank you so much.
I haven't seen your jewelry yet, but I am sure it's gonna be rocking. मैं अभी अंदर जाने वाली हूँ और झुमका किसको पसंद नहीं है. So देखिए तभी मैं झुमका पहन के नहीं आएगी, मुझे झुमका पहनना है. And your brand Pranasi, it sounds very unique name, very different name.
Thank you so much.
सी आई बिलीव दैट ज्वेलरी वुमेन की बेस्ट फ्रेंड होती है एंड वो हमें इन्हांस करती है एंड इट जस्ट मेक्स अस इवन मोर प्रिटियर. सो बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट एलिमेंट होता है एक फीमेल के लिए, एक एक ब्यूटिफुल वुमेन के लिए. सो आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड दैट देयर इज समथिंग न्यू दैट हैज़ कम एंड आई एम होपिंग टू एक्सप्लोर एंड बाय लॉट्स ऑफ ज्वेलरी.
सो आई एम सुपर एक्साइटेड बिकॉज इस इवेंट के लिए बड़े दिन से वेट था मेरा. ऑल द लेडीज़ लाइक ज्वेलरी, हु डजंट लाइक. एंड प्रिशिता ने बहुत अच्छा कलेक्शन प्रेजेंट किया है यहाँ पे. सो आई एम एक्साइटेड टू सी द होल कलेक्शन एंड आई रियली वांट टू कंग्रेचुलेट हर.
आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग अ लॉट बिकॉज ये पहले ऑलरेडी ऐलान हो चुका है कि डायमंड्स आर अ गर्ल्स बेस्ट फ्रेंड. तो मैं यहाँ देखने आई हूँ उनका पूरा कलेक्शन. आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड. तो मुझे थोड़ा बहुत आइडिया दिया था उन्होंने, बट आज मैं देखने आई हूँ अपनी ही आँखों से पूरा कलेक्शन.
I love this brand Kanashi, and I am here to support her because I love her design, the kind of different shades she have in the design, and the kind of sparkle and new things in her design. I just love it, and I think I'm totally here to support her. And I just want to go, and I'm super excited that what exactly she gonna show us. So I'm super happy.
Ooh, yeah. So, when it is about jewelry and all that, so we get excited. We girls especially get excited. And I'm excited to be here, and my full support is with her. And it's good to be here.
Hi everyone, this is Sonia Birje and I have come for the launch of Pranasi Jewelry Year Pendants exhibition launch, I believe, and exquisite jewelry is what I can say. They are, I believe, and yeah, it's a fact, they are Polki diamonds and it's so beautifully done and they look luxurious and can't wait to get myself a pair.
So to be honest, I'm a big fan of uncut jewelry, and Pranasi, as in the whole brand, is so pretty, and some pieces are really nice, and when you wear it, it looks really pretty, and we were like wondering which one to pick up because we can't really decide. Pranasi's done a wonderful job, and I really wish them all the best.